Hello and welcome to our comfortable English learning space. My name is Anna, and I am your guide today. We are going to talk about the most important people in life. Family and friends make our world beautiful and complete. I want to share a personal story with you. This story helps you practice simple words and sentences. Please listen carefully to my pronunciation and intonation. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this English lesson. Every person has a unique story about their home. My home is always full of love and laughter. I live in a small but very cozy house. On the wall, there are many beautiful pictures. These pictures show the history of my close people. I look at them and feel very happy. It is wonderful to have a supportive family. It is also great to have loyal friends. Let us start with my wonderful parents first. They taught me how to speak and love. They always support my dreams and my work. Today, I want to celebrate their kindness here. You can think about your own family too. What words describe your mother or your father? English learning is easier when you think about real life. Try to repeat some sentences after me in your mind. We can learn many adjective words during this podcast. Are you ready to hear about my amazing mother? She is the heart of our big house. Let us move to the next part of the story. Open your heart to new English words today. Let us explore the world of family together. My mother is a very kind and gentle woman. Her name is Mary, and she loves gardening. She has beautiful green eyes and a warm smile. She cooks the most delicious apple pies on Sundays. My father is a strong and hard-working man. His name is John, and he fixes everything. He likes to watch football and read historical books. My parents are married for 30 long years. They still look at each other with true love. They meet every problem with a smile and hope. In the evenings, they like to drink tea together. They discuss their day and plan the future weekends. My mother often asks about my work at school. My father gives me wise advice about life. I am lucky to have such wonderful role models. They show me the real meaning of a family. A family is a safe place for everyone. It is a shelter from the cold outside world. Do you have similar traditions in your home? Maybe you cook dinner together with your parents. Or you watch funny movies on Friday evenings. Spending time with parents creates sweet memories forever. I remember my childhood with a big smile. My parents always had time for my questions. They never shouted when I made bad mistakes. Patience is a very important quality for parents. My parents possess a lot of this patience. I love them with all my big heart. But my family story does not stop here. I also have a very energetic younger brother. My brother's name is Tom, and he is 18. He is a student at a local sports college. Tom plays football very well and runs fast. He is much taller than me and very active. Sometimes he is noisy and leaves things everywhere. His room is usually a total chaotic mess. However, he has a very generous and gold heart. Tom always helps me carry heavy shopping bags. He can fix my computer when it stops working. We shared many funny moments during our childhood. We used to build secret castles from pillows. We played hide and seek in our grandmother's garden. Sometimes we argued about toys or television programs. Those little fights are normal for brothers and sisters. We always said sorry after a few minutes. It is impossible to stay angry with Tom. He knows many funny jokes that make me laugh. Yesterday he won an important college football match. The whole family went to the stadium to watch. We shouted loudly and felt very proud of him. He received a beautiful shiny gold medal yesterday. Having a sibling means you are never alone. You always have a partner for crazy adventures. Tom is not just a brother to me. He is also a very good childhood friend. We understand each other without any long words. Do you have any brothers or younger sisters? Siblings make our life journey dynamic and interesting. Let us change the topic to another area. Friends are the family we choose for ourselves. My best friend is a wonderful girl named Sarah. We met 10 years ago at a school camp. She was sitting alone under a big oak tree. I walked to her and offered a sweet strawberry. We started talking about our favorite cartoon movies. Since that sunny day, we are totally inseparable. Sarah is a creative person who loves photography. She always carries a small camera in her bag. She takes beautiful pictures of nature and people. Her dream is to open a photo gallery. Sarah has a very bright and optimistic personality. When I feel sad, she knows what to say. She listens to my problems without any judgment. We can talk for hours about everything or nothing. We share our deepest secrets and biggest fears. Last week we went to a small local cafe. We drank hot chocolate and ate sweet croissants. We planned a summer trip to the mountains. Traveling with a best friend is always exciting. You share new emotions and explore new places. Sarah lives in the next street near my house. We see each other almost every single day. Sometimes we just walk in the green park. A true friend is a very rare treasure. You must protect this friendship with great care. I am happy that Sarah is in my life. She makes my difficult days much brighter. Think about your own dearest best friend. How did you meet each other long ago? Next, I want to describe our larger company. Besides Sarah, I have a group of university friends. We are 5 people in our close circle. Their names are Alex, Ben, Emily, Sarah, and me. We studied English literature together for 4 years. University life was hard but very interesting with them. We spent many long nights preparing for exams. We helped each other with difficult library research. After classes, we usually went to a pizzeria. Alex always ate 3 big pieces of pizza. He is the funniest guy in our group. Emily is very quiet but incredibly smart and kind. She writes beautiful poems about nature and love. Ben plays the acoustic guitar very well. We often gather at his place on weekends. We sing old songs and talk about life. This weekend we are planning a big picnic. The weather forecast promises a warm sunny day. We want to go to a beautiful lake. Ben intends to bring his acoustic guitar there. Alex promises to make delicious grilled meat. Emily will bring a big fresh green salad. I am responsible for the sweet lemon lemonade. These traditions keep our friendship strong and alive. Time changes many things around us quickly. People change their jobs and move to cities. Real friendship stays the same despite the distance. Good friends always find time for a call. They remember your birthday and special dates. This group is my second supportive family. I feel safe when these people are near. We are arriving at the end of my story. Today you heard about my closest circle. My parents give me strong roots and wings. My brother Tom brings action and loud laughter. My friend Sarah gives me deep understanding. My university friends bring joy and music. All these people form my personal universe. Life is difficult without love and good relationships. Material things like money can never replace friends. An expensive car cannot hug you when sad. A big house feels empty without family voices. We must appreciate every moment with our dear ones. Say I love you to your parents often. Call your old friend who lives far away. Send a funny message to your brother today. Small actions can make people very happy. I hope you enjoyed this simple English story. You learned some useful words about human relations. Practice makes your English smooth and confident. You can listen to this podcast multiple times. Try to write down sentences that you like. Create your own story about your beautiful family. Use simple adjectives to describe your friends. Thank you for your time and great attention. It is a pleasure to be your teacher. I wish you a beautiful and bright day. Keep learning English with joy and passion. Goodbye for a short time, my dear students. See you in the next audio lesson online. Take care of yourself and your loved ones.
Write one English word in comments. 5 people get 10 English lessons free.